Understanding the Zopa credit card is essential to making informed financial decisions. The first step is to know what Zopa is. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products including credit cards. To get started, visit the Zopa website and review the credit card options available. The next step is to check your eligibility. Zopa offers a soft credit check that will not affect your credit score. This check will give you an idea of whether you are likely to be approved for a credit card and what interest rate you will be offered. Once you have been approved, you will receive your credit card and you can start using it. It is essential to understand the terms and conditions of your credit card, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. The interest rate is the amount of interest you will be charged on your outstanding balance. Fees can include late payment fees and foreign transaction fees. Repayment terms will depend on the credit card you have chosen, but most credit cards require a minimum payment each month. It is essential to make at least the minimum payment on time to avoid late payment fees. To get the most out of your Zopa credit card, make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. You can manage your credit card account online or through the Zopa app, where you can check your balance, view your transactions, and make payments. It is also essential to keep an eye on your credit score, as this can affect the interest rates you are offered in the future. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can use your Zopa credit card responsibly and make the most out of its benefits. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and make informed financial decisions.